Hi Alex! Happy 18th birthday! I know pag napanood mo to, matatawa ka na lang kasi super cringe. So, welcome to Legality, my sis. We saw each other grow up since we were pre-LM, and I am grateful na never tayo naghiwalay. I know that you're the Alexa Eugenio that's independent and strong, but don't forget that you'll always have the Micaela Bawana, who you can run back to. You're the sweetest woman I know, and I hope na you see yourself how we see you. Now that you're turning 18 and stepping another new chapter on your journey. Happy birthday, Alex. Your Bini Boni Mika loves you so much.
Happy birthday, Alexa! Woo!
Happy 18th birthday, Alex. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo and sana mag-enjoy ka. Andito lang kami palagi for you, lalong-lalo na ako. And more birthdays to come. Swim soon!
Hi Alex, happy Legality. Wish ko sana matupad mo lahat ng dreams mo because I know the struggles and hardships mo just to make the dreams complete. Just know that I'm always here for you para maging natupad. Yun lang. Again, happy birthday Alex. Enjoy a special day.
Happy birthday, Alexa. Ang bilis ng panahon, 18 ka na. Wish ko, sana matupad lahat ng pangarap mo. At alam ko naman nandiyan ang daddy mo nagagabay sa'yo lagi. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Alex! I wish you all the best and good luck sa studies mo.
Happy birthday, Ate Lick. It's your younger cousin, Jillian. Take care always. Love you.
Happiest 18th birthday, Alexa. You are now learning sa Ulutod. I wish and I know naman that you'll never give up on your dreams. Especially sa pag-take mo ng bootcamp. Good luck, Super Don, and lahat kami naniniwalang kayang-kaya mo. Enjoy your day and take care lang palagi. Hope to bond with you soon, kaming mga fellow swimmers mo.
Hi Alex! Happy birthday! 18 years old ka na and ang wish ko sa'yo is palagi kang safe and healthy. And dito lang kami palagi nila Erich para sa'yo whenever you need us. Happy birthday! I love you!
Hi Alexa! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for being my friend. I'm really grateful na naging part ka ng swimming journey ko ever since nung maliit pa tayo. Sana makapag-bonding and swimming na ulit tayo soon. I treasure all our moments together and my swimming journey would not be complete without you because we grew up together na magkasamang nagka-training and I'm grateful for that because you make swimming fun and memorable. I'm rooting for you in everything that you will do and I'm sure that you will reach all your dreams and goals in life. I hope you know na nandito lang ako palagi for you. Enjoy your day and I hope to see you soon. May God bless your life and have a happy birthday.
Hi Alexa, happy birthday. Good luck sa upahan ng teachers ka. Pero for sure na yung super matalino ka and lagi-lagi ka nag-aaral. Hindi ako naman. Yun, salamat stars. And kapag kailangan mo ng kausap o sa advice or kahit anong random chip na message mo, ito lang may lagi for you. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Alexa. Mag-aaral ka mabuti. I love you so much. God bless.
Happy birthday, Alexa! Wish you all the best. God bless you. Swim na tayo.
Hi Alex, happy birthday. Mang cringe man pero I'm glad that we've met and become friends until now. Sana matupad mo lahat ng wishes mo, ng dreams mo. Yun lang naman. Stay pretty, healthy, have fun, and enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday.
18th birthday, Alex. Becoming friends with you is something I'm grateful for. You have always been the best friend anyone could ever ask for. And I hope you enjoy your day as you step into adulthood. I am always here for you. Kahit ilang beses pa tayo mag-Mel Street sa isang linggo, I would always be here to listen. Happy birthday, Alex.
Hey, Ate Alexa! We love you. Sana matupad mo pangarap mo.
Happy birthday, Alexa! We love you!
I would like to congratulate John Eugenio. You are so very lucky na nagkaroon ka ng isang anak na matalino, mabait, at maganda. And she will be celebrating her birthday, her 18th birthday today. So, Alexa, Leklek, happy birthday, and continue doing good works, being intelligent, magaling sa math, and everything. Manang-mana ka. So, happy birthday, and more birthdays to come. Enjoy, and be happy. Congratulations. Happy birthday.
Hey, Alex, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alex.
Hello, Alex. Happy birthday. Greetings from Oregon.
So, 18 ka na. You know, that's a big milestone. I've seen and heard of all the great things you've done, you know, sa Facebook lang, Instagram, for example. And I know that it's tough, you know, it feels like it's a lot of hard work, pero, you know, just keep persevering because all the hard work is worth it. I just want to wish you all the best, and I hope that all your dreams come true. So yeah, just keep being you, keep working hard, and I wish you all the best. So happy birthday.
Sana nandyan kami to celebrate with you. Kaya lang masyadong malayo. But we still wish you all the best. We are happy for you, and we are so proud of all your achievements. Proud kami na lumaki ka na mabait na bata, very responsible, mabait na anak, mabait na apo, and then sobrang ganda at matalino. Whatever your dreams and your plans are, we will always be here to support you. We will always be behind you. And congratulations. And again, we wish you all the best. Good luck.
Just keep up the good work, Alex. We will pray for you always. Happy 18th birthday.
And yung gift mo to follow, message us kung anong gusto mo because you deserve the very best.
Sana all.
We love you, we miss you, and we will see you soon.
Okay, yeah, always.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
So, enjoy your special day. Wish ko sa'yo, mag-aaral kang mabuti. Magtapos ka para maganda buhay.
Happy 18th birthday, anak. Papasimula kasi ako, no? Kasi hindi ko siguro kayang mag-message ng walang salamin. At alam mo na, sa haba kasi na pinagdaanan natin, hindi ko papigilan hindi iiyak eh. Although pa man, basta ko naman lang yung pinagdaraanan at yung mga hinahangad sa hinaharap. Kung maaga ka man nawala ng ina, lagi mo tatandaan, nandito lang ako. Hindi ako papayag, hindi ka magrabyado, at ako pa rin ang mananatiling patatag na haligi na iyong masasandalan at magsisibing ilaw sa iyong landas lalakaran. Happy 18th birthday, anak. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Bye.